Hey everyone, my name's Geneva. I'm really excited about Koala's all-new mattress based on 7 years of sleep research, and I'll be testing it out for the next week and letting you know how I go. Being a new mum, sleep is obviously a pretty rare commodity and every minute counts, which is why I was really excited to try Koala's all-new mattress. This mattress is a little bit different to Koala's other ones. It includes 2 layers, a base layer and then a comfort topper with 2 different firmness options. A little while ago, I shipped out my old mattress and put together my new Koala mattress setup. The comfort topper just zips right on top and it can be flipped for either a medium firm or a firm option. Based on Koala's advice, I chose the medium firm option to start with, and it was super simple to assemble. Once I put the mattress together, it was time to dress the bed in my favourite linen sheets to turn it into the perfect little sanctuary. My first impression is that the mattress is super soft, but also firm enough to support my hips and my shoulders and my back. Over the next few days, the mattress got what I like to think of as the family test. Kids, dog, partner, everyone had a try. But the biggest test had to be how quickly I could fall asleep after my night feeds. And I have to say, it was pretty impressive. It's been about 10 days sleeping on my new Koala mattress, and I have to say, I'm so impressed. Usually it takes me a long time to fall asleep, which can be a bit hard when you're up in the night over and over breastfeeding a baby, but I have been finding that I've been falling asleep so easily with this new mattress, which is a total win for me. I know it hasn't been that long, but getting better sleep has been life-changing, all thanks to Koala's new mattress.